Hello. For the project, I wanted to show you that you can use a Google Sheet to make your graph instead of making it on the paper I provided. So if you're better on the computer or you rather do that instead of drawing your own graph, you can just input your data into a Google Sheet like I did. So you put your years in the first column. I chose Rutgers, Stockton, and Rowan for my three colleges and just added some random numbers. So don't copy my numbers, they're not correct to turn this into a chart. And I also bolded it so we could better see the numbers. To make a chart, you're going to just pick your data and highlight it, go to Insert and choose Chart. And the chart will pop up. In my case, a bar graph came up, which is what I want. But in case your computer gives you a different kind of a graph, you can go over to the right and choose the chart you want. So if you have a line graph, but you like a bar graph better, you can just go right up here and choose a bar graph. Next, you want to adjust the colors because they should be the correct colors for your college or university. So in my case, I know that Rutgers is red, so I'm going to change it to a dark red. I know that Stockton is blue, so I'm going to make them blue. Maybe it's this one. And then Rowan, I can just leave as yellow because I think it's gold and maroon. So this looks very good. Next, I want to change my heading. I don't want it to say Rutgers, Stockton, and Rowan. So I'm going to go to the right where it says Customize. You might have to click Customize. And here you can see the title. I'm going to change it to College Cost Comparison. And I'm also going to change the color to black and bold. There you go. That looks nice. Years is okay, but years could also be bold. So to do that, I double clicked on it. I'm going to go to the right and make that also black and bold. And I would like to add another heading for my vertical axis. And to do so, I'm going to click on my graph and see the three little dots here. If you click on those, it says Edit Chart, which will open this menu back up on the right side. I want to customize it. So I'm going to go to Chart and Axis Titles right here. And the one I want to change is the vertical one. And I want to add tuition cost. And in parentheses, I'm going to put dollars. Oops, I have to make it dollars. There we go. One more time. Okay. And I'm also going to make this bold and black. Okay, so now I like my little chart. It looks really good. I don't want to print it like this. I'm gonna just take it. I guess you could, if you wanted to, you could now go to File and Print and just print out your sheet and just cut it out, right? And put it on your poster. If you want to change the size, what I would do, I would just use Snippet. I don't know whether you have that on your computer, but there are other ways to cut it out. So I would cut it out and I would paste it on an open Word document. And let me paste it here. And now I can just, make it as big or as small as I want it to be so it fits my poster project. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Notice how easy that was. And that's all for now. Ask me if you have any questions.